Hey, welcome. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger chat head not working. So basically Messenger chat it's going to look like this. Let me show you. So when somebody messages you on Messenger, this is what it's going to appear like if you guys have chat heads on. If it is not disabled or if it is working correctly, this is what it's going to look like when somebody you know sends you a message. It's going to pop out right beside your screen on your Messenger. So if you're not receiving this, then you need to do some things which I'm going to be telling you in the video. But before that, if you guys are the iPhone user, then basically you guys are not going to receive chatted because in iPhone, there is no chatter of Messenger. I don't know why they don't have this feature for iPhone. Is a pretty useful and helpful feature, but they don't have it in iPhone. So for Android user, this is a bonus feature. So let me show you guys how we guys can unlock it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos just like this. Now let's move on with today's video. Now, shall we? The first step for doing this is you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to open up just like this. Now over here, scroll a bit down. And once you see chat heads over here, just like on my screen, make sure to turn it on, right? Because if your chat heads is turned off, then it's not going to pop up. It means you have disabled it. By default it's going to be turned on, but sometimes it's going to be off, so make sure to check this. Once you turn it on, your chat head should appear. But if it's still not appearing, the other way to make it appear is hold on the person's name. And then click on versus open in chat head, and the person's messenger or like the person's message feed is going to open up in chat head just like this. Now we can chat with him just like this as well. So that's how we guys can do it. Even after doing this, if it still didn't work, then make sure to update your Messenger to the latest version. And even updating your Messenger didn't do anything, then just delete your Messenger, reinstall it again, and it should work. So that's how we guys can fix your Messenger chat head not broken. So I hope you guys are clear like what chat heads are, and how to make it work if there's a problem with it. Alright, so I hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.